Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by choosing a clear root element and any namespaces you need. This defines the document scope. Once decided, list required child elements and attributes with expected data types so validation is predictable. Create the XML prologue immediately. XML version equals 1. 0 encoding equals UTF-8. It sets encoding and parser behavior. Make sure to save a minimal scaffold file now with placeholder values so tools can parse it, and you can iterate without breaking downstream consumers. You now flesh out the core structure, model hierarchies, repeatable groups, and nesting so data maps cleanly to your domain. Decide when to use attributes versus elements. Attributes fit metadata, elements hold complex content. Create an XSD or RelaxNG schema to codify types, required fields, and constraints. This prevents subtle errors. Once done, add comments and representative sample data so other developers and test suites understand intended usage and edge cases quickly. You finalize by serializing the document with the declared encoding and consistent indentation for readability. Run schema validation and unit tests to catch missing required fields, type mismatches, or invalid values. Make sure to validate namespaces and external entity references. Broken URIs or undefined prefixes are common. If validation fails, inspect for mismatched tags, incorrect encoding declaration, or stray characters. As a tip, enable parser error reporting and rerun only the failing fragment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.